Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we save you from making questionable purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a robotic showdown between two cleaning titans, the Roborock Q5 Max plus robot vacuum and the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. Are you ready for this epic vacuum battle? Let's get ready to rumble. Alright, let's start with the price. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus comes in at a cool $599. Meanwhile, the Kilgone combo is just $267. You could buy a Kilgone and still have enough left over for a year's supply of pizza. If you're on a budget, Kilgone's your new best friend. But remember, sometimes you get what you pay for. Let's talk about cleaning features. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus boasts 5,500 POS Hyperforce suction power. It's like a black hole for dust. If black holes were polite and had a cleaning schedule. And it's got a dual roller brush to handle whatever your pet sheds. Plus, it can go for 7 weeks without emptying. That's almost 2 months of you pretending you don't have to clean. Reviewers love its powerful suction and efficiency, especially for pet hair and fine dust. On the other side, Kilgone combo is no slouch either. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop. So while Roborock is out there just sucking, Kilgone is multitasking like a pro. With its 230 milliliters water tank, it'll mop and vacuum simultaneously. Reviewers appreciate its ability to handle both tasks, making it a versatile choice for busy households. Now, let's talk navigation. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus has PresaSense LiDAR navigation. This thing makes 3D maps like it's auditioning for a role in a sci-fi movie. It's like having a tiny, robotic cartographer cleaning your house. Users praise its advanced mapping and efficient cleaning patterns. Kilgone combo, on the other hand, has a 360-degree sensor array and is thin at just 2.91 inches. It's the James Bond of vacuums, dodging obstacles and sneaking under furniture like a pro. And it's got 4 cleaning modes: Auto, Spot, Edge, and Zigzag, which reviewers find quite effective for covering various cleaning needs. Battery lifetime. Roborock Q5 Max Plus can run up to 240 minutes and cover a whopping 3,767 SQFT. It's like the marathon runner of robot vacuums, while we mere mortals are struggling to get off the couch. Reviewers appreciate its long runtime and extensive coverage. Kilgone combo, on the other hand, can clean for up to 100 minutes and cover 1,290 SQFT. It's more of a sprinter, not a marathoner. But hey, it's got a brushless motor and automatically returns to its charging base. Reviewers love its efficiency and ease of use for smaller spaces. Last but not least, smart features. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus syncs with Alexa, Siri, and Google Home. You can just shout at it to start cleaning. It's like having a personal assistant that doesn't roll its eyes when you ask it to do something. Reviewers love its seamless integration with smart home systems. Kilgone combo is also smart and connected. It's Wi-Fi Bluetooth enabled and works with the TYAA app. You can set schedules, choose cleaning modes, and adjust suction power, all from your smartphone. Reviewers find it intuitive and convenient, making floor cleaning a breeze. Reviewers generally find the Roborock Q5 Max Plus to be a powerful and efficient cleaning tool, particularly for pet owners and those needing strong suction and advanced mapping. The Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo, on the other hand, is praised for its versatility, affordability, and convenience, making it a great choice for busy individuals. So there you have it, folks. The Roborock Q5 Max Plus is the powerhouse with a price to match, while the Kilgone combo is the budget-friendly multitasker. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart. Product links are in the description.